Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and remove 11 7mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Though it's not necessary, it can be easier just to remove the battery at this point. Flip the unit over and fold it. And gently insert the opener pick between the LCD module and the back cover. Slide along the edges to pop the LCD module free. Lay the LCD module down. And remove one 2mm screw from the microphone. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD module. Unplug the cable from the gyro sensor. Using a pair of tweezers or spudger, gently pry the camera free from the adhesive underneath. Take care not to use too much force as the camera can easily bend or break. Remove the microphone and unseat the cable from the grooves on the LCD module. Replace the LCD module and reseat the LCD and camera cables back into their grooves. Put the camera and the microphone back into place. And replace the one 2mm screw into the microphone. Plug the LCD cable into the LCD module. and plug the cable back into the gyro sensor. Lay the LCD module back into place and push down to snap it securely. Fold the device and flip it back over. Replace the battery back onto its posts. And plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 11 7mm screws back into the bottom cover.